Finally, one from solutions of triangle. So recall that in triangle ABC, the side A is equals to 2r sine angle A. With that, and in this one, we are given that r is 1, so that makes A is 2 sine A. Okay. Then we are given A is 90 plus theta. B, let's say, is theta. That leaves C is 90 minus 2 theta. So theta is the smallest and 90 plus theta is the largest angle. So the side opposite to the smallest angle would be the smallest side. So this should be A. And the side opposite to the largest angle is the largest side. So this is A plus 2D. So we have A is 2 sine theta plus D is 2 sine 90 minus 2 theta, which is 2 cos 2 theta, and A plus 2D is 2 sine 90 plus theta, that becomes 2 cos theta. Which gives us cos theta plus sine theta adding these two equations equals to 2 times 2 cos 2 theta. So 2 gets cancelled. That gives us cos theta plus sine theta is 2 cos 2 theta. So squaring this equation, we get cos square theta plus sine square theta becomes 1 plus 2 cos theta sine theta becomes sine 2 theta. 4 cos square 2 theta can be written as 1 minus sine square. So we are left with 4 sine square 2 theta plus sine 2 theta minus 3 equals to 0. So the solutions for this is sine 2 theta equals to minus 1 or 3 by 4. But we can reject this because theta is less than 90 degree, which makes 2 theta less than 180 degree. So sine 2 theta has to be positive. So this goes away. So that leaves us with sine 2 theta equals to 3 by 4. So let's next move to the question itself. A be the area of the triangle ABC. So the area of this triangle is half A plus 2D, using this as the base, and A using this as height. This height would be A cos 2 theta. Now we have A is 2 sine theta, so half A is sine theta, half A goes away and is replaced by sine theta. Then A plus 2D is 2 cos theta, so this also goes away and we are left with the cos 2 theta, which comes here. So these two together becomes sine 2 theta. So this is sine 2 theta cos 2 theta. So area is sine 4 theta by 2. Half A plus 2D is half into 2 cos theta into A cos 2 theta. So these two go away. We're left with A, which is 2 sine theta. Yeah. So area is sine 4 theta by 2. which can be written as sine 2 theta cos 2 theta. Sine 2 theta is 3 by 4. Cos 2 theta would be 1 minus 9 by 16, under root 1 minus 9 by 16, which is root 7 by 4. So area is 3 root 7 by 16. We are asked for the value of 64a squared. So 64a becomes 12 root 7. So that squared becomes 144 into 7, which is 700 to 1008. So answer for 14 is 1008. For 15, we need the in radius. So we had the area equals to 3 root 7 by 16, and we also have that area is half r into a plus b plus c, or rather we can say the area is SR. We need r, so this becomes r by 2 into semi-parameter is r by 2 into parameter becomes 2 sine theta plus 2 cos 2 theta plus 2 cos theta. So this is the area, which is r times sine theta plus cos theta plus cos 2 theta, and this is 3 root 7 by 16. So sine 2 theta is 3 by 4, which means which we have already had, cos 2 theta is root 7 by 4 and minus 2 sine square theta. Oh, we don't really need all this. What we'll do is parameter p is 3 times a plus d, which is 6 cos 2 theta, and thus s is 3 cos 2 theta. Then s into r is 3 cos 2 theta was root 3 by 4 times r, which is the area 3 root 7 by, cos 2 theta was root 7 by 4. So that leaves us with 3 gets cancelled, root 7 gets cancelled. So in radius is 1 by 4. So the answer for 15 is 0.25.